The Infrastructure Fund is a portfolio of blended finance projects and programs. The fund is managed by Infrastructure South Africa and operationalized by the Development Bank of Southern Africa through a ring-fenced division of the bank. ISA is therefore a single point of entry for infrastructure, investment, and coordination. Working with project owners and sponsors, ISA develops a credible infrastructure pipeline of high-impact infrastructure projects which are bankable and fundable. We will today receive an update on the gazetted strategic integrated projects, project preparation funding, and infrastructure funding pipeline. We will conclude the briefing with a signing ceremony of MOUs with key stakeholders who will be called to the front at an appropriate time. The Deputy Minister Zikalala will render closing remarks to mark the end of the briefing. At this point, we are thrilled to invite Minister McPherson to the stage, who will brief the media on the update for the past 12 months and the program of this year's symposium.